Welcome the PCS Current News program, and the topic of discussion is world's largest iceberg. The world's largest iceberg, a 23A, spanning nearly 4,000 square kilometers, 6 times the size of Mumbai, is on a collision course with South Georgia, a British territory in the Atlantic Ocean. Propelled by winds and ocean currents, the trillion-ton iceberg is currently 280 kilometers away and moving at a glacial pace of 1 meter every 3 to 7 seconds. Scientists from the British Antarctic Survey are closely monitoring its daily movement using satellite images. Let us talk about a 23A, carved from the Filchner-Ronne ice shelf in West Antarctica in 1986 and remained grounded in the Weddell Sea for over 4 decades. It began drifting 2 years ago, raising ecological concerns. If the iceberg becomes grounded near South Georgia, it could block vital foraging routes for millions of seals, penguins, and seabirds that inhabit the island, potentially starving penguin chicks if parents cannot access feeding grounds. Let us discuss its ecological impact. Despite its potential ecological impact, researchers believe the overall harm may not be severe. For every visible portion of the iceberg above water, there is 10 times more submerged, making navigation challenging. In December, scientists aboard the research vessel RRS Sir David Attenborough, part of the BIOPOLE cruise, observed and collected seawater samples near the massive iceberg. A 23A, it continues to be a subject of significant scientific attention due to its size, age, and potential environmental effects. It's time to test your knowledge, and the question is, which British territory is at risk of being impacted by the iceberg? A 23A, A. Falkland Islands, B. South Georgia, C. Ascension Island, D. St. Helena.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.